Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to use Apple Card cashback. Let's go. How to see your cashback. Open Wallet. Open Apple Card. Tap the More button. Tap Daily Cash. How to use cashback. Any daily cash received is added to your Apple Cash card. If you have an Apple Cash account, then you can use your daily cash to make a one-time Apple Card payment, make purchases using Apple Pay, send money using Apple Cash. Now you know how to use Apple Card cashback. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.